Hi, this is Kathy from Craft with Kathy. Thanks for joining me. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. Just want to take a moment and share my live with the VIP group. Let me get that set up. Grab something cool to drink, relax a little bit. I'm going to do a very quick simple unboxing of the autumn 2022 offering. A lot of cool things here, some things that are on special right now only till the end of July, which is tomorrow. So I just want to make you aware of them so you don't miss any good deals, and just show you some of the goodies that arrived courtesy of FedEx today. I'm having a hard time finding my VIP group. Is that crazy or what? I am just not seeing it. Here we go. Found it. Anyway, so first and foremost, the new offering, the autumn 2022, is just awesome. It was very hard for me to choose what I wanted. But what I want to show you is one of the kits. This is the Anywhere kit. It's a summer savings kit. It comes with an 18 by 12 inch transfer that can be cut into 4 different pieces. A mini squeegee, 3 individual packets of paste, Tide, Black Velvet, and Storm. Basically everything other than your surface to create your own signage. So, and remember, our transfers are reusable 8 to 12 times or more, so you can make this for yourself, make it for a friend, make it as a gift, whatever. But this is such an adorable transfer. It really, really is. And it comes with the 3 packets of paste and your individual squeegee, and the transfer is reusable. So this one is actually on savings, or on special right now. It is 30% off, which brings it to a total, the Anywhere kit is $18, I'm sorry, $24.82. That's 30% off. And if you are a Club Couture member, you are entitled to this kit at 40% off, which brings it to $18.62. This deal on the kits, I've listed the link to the summer savings kits in the first comment below. This is only good until tomorrow, to the 31st of July. So if you're interested in any of, there's actually 6 different kits. Check them out. Go to that link, check them out, and see if there's something that you had your eye on. Might as well get it at a nice discount. Another one of the kits is this beach kit. It is 8.5 by 11. Also comes with a squeegee, 3 individual paste packets, raspberry sorbet, shimmer frost, which actually almost looks like etched glass on a lot of surfaces, especially on glass, and then sunny side pen, the mini squeegee. This is 30% off so it's $18.17, and if you're a Club Couture member, $13.63. How cool is this? And remember, our transfers can be used on chalkboard, dry erase board, wood, metal, mirror, glass, walls, the front of your dishwasher. You get it. The only thing you have to remember is when you're using it on a non-porous surface like glass or mirror, you want to fuzz it more than you would on something like wood, which is porous. And you fuzz it so that it doesn't stick quite as strongly, because remember, our transfers are not only reusable, but they also have an adhesive back. So let me put these 2 little kits away. Remember, there are 30% off the regular price, 40% off for Club Couture members. If you are thinking about Club Couture, you might want to comment club below, and I'll send you a little information about that. Let me run through quickly some of the transfers. These are 8.5 by 11, and I'm just gonna, I know I have a lot of Christmas ones because really it's closer than we realize. This is best gift ever. These would be great if you make your own tags, because yes, our transfers can be used on paper. In addition to all the surfaces I already mentioned. This is our Be Merry Christmas. Isn't that adorable? Let me move these over to the side here. Get them out of my way a little bit. I think one of my favorites is definitely They Followed the Star. This actually fits on our wooden block, our set of 3 wooden blocks. It fits perfectly on, and that's probably what I'm going to be using it on. This, I think, is in our catalog on a crate, but it can be used many different ways. It's Coffee and Christmas Cheer. Here's our snowflakes that stay. Doesn't this look cheery and Christmassy? Then another sweet Christmas transfer is Peace on Earth Greenery, and you could obviously use this for the words. You could do it with the words and the greenery, or you could just use the greenery on something else, or use the words by themselves, whatever. I think this transfer offers a lot of flexibility. I'm going to grab some of our, well, you know what, I'm on the size 8.5 by 11. Let me show you one more that is definitely not Christmas. This is definitely Halloween, and it's called Spell on You. The Witch's Legs and Shoes. That might be a nice little sign outside. What do you think? Okay, I'm going to grab some of our smaller 5 by 7 and run through these really quick. There's a Dear Santa, Define Naughty. I think this would be perfect on a child's onesie, and that's one of the ideas that I have for it. It'll fit perfectly. The 5 by 7s fit great on onesies. This is Winter Scene. And I know that Winter Scene is used in our catalog on our A-frame. I'm going to show you the A-frame in a moment. Some houses and trees and snowflakes and snow. Christmas Wishes and Mistletoe Kisses. Again, it's one transfer, but you could use only part of it if you only need the mistletoe or whatever. Sparkle and Shine, it's Christmas time. Again, you could use the wording, or you could just use the holly leaves and berries and the mittens for something if you wanted to. Excuse me. Still have that dang tickle that's been driving me crazy. I've got some larger transfers that I want to show you, but I want to also show you some of the kits right now. This is our Christmas, I want to say, I don't know, Christmas time kit. Boy, my mind's blanking. It comes with a nice surface. I'll try and move some of this down so you can see all what's included here. You have a wooden Christmas tree cutting board, a paintbrush, some foliage. I can move some of this apart a little bit. Oops. Some placement tape, actual color trays, and then you have 3 pastes. Shimmer. Let me get this out of the way so I can read it. Shimmer Gold. Oh, I can't. It's covering up the text of just what I needed. Shimmer Gold. I really can't see it. I can't read it. Black in another, but it's a great little kit. All complete, and then remember, surfaces can be reused, so pick another surface and do it in another version on it. And then this one is our Gone Batty kit. This actually shows off our glow-in-the-dark paste. It comes with a bunch of bats, the transfer, 4 packets of paste, 2 glow-in-the-dark, and 2 of our deep purple, and color tray and squeegee. I have to flip it over to show you actually what they look like. Let me open this up real quick and give you an idea about the size of these bats. I just can't wait to do this. I am going to definitely use the glow in the dark, so at night they will glow in the dark, and I'm going to hang them from like the top of our porch rails. We don't have a cover to the porch, but the rails go up kind of high, and just dangle it beneath that. I think it'll be really, really cool. Let's see if we can get a little close up of that. And my live seems like it is stalled on my end, so I hope you could see this okay. The transfer of the bat wings, and then look at these wings. Pretty cool, huh? This will be perfect for Halloween. Let me show you the A-frame is one of our new surfaces. It's absolutely adorable. Obviously I haven't opened it up, but it's just the frame that opens and stands. And then there are 2 wooden pieces that buckle onto these leather straps, and it's double-sided, chalk each side, and you could swap out the white or the brown, whatever. I mean, what a cool surface is this. Can't wait to play around with that. And these are just some of the refills in brown and in white, so you could have as many things as you want. You don't have to erase them once you've chalked them, and just swap it out as the season changes. How cool is that? I am going to grab a couple transfers from the other room and be right back. Almost done with this unboxing. I do need to show you the paste and talk a little bit about one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I'm really looking forward to the Oh Holy Night. I think this on one of our house boxes frames would be great. I think that's how it's shown in the catalog with the music behind it. And then Oh Holy Night chalked on top of it. These are cute. These are perfect for our 5 by 5 inch frames. A lot of variety there. Some transfers for our wooden stars, some poinsettia, and some stars. This will be pretty cool. I love working on the cutouts. And then, how about a porch sign perfect for Halloween? Now, if you wanted to make a porch sign with this, obviously you can. Just cut it on the cut line and stack them when you chalk them. Or actually, you could use any of these sayings or any of the graphics on a multiple of different surfaces. It doesn't have to be a porch sign. Mix and match. This transfer is large, but so worth it because of all the use that you could garner from it. How cool is this? And thinking about Halloween, look at our new paste. This, I haven't had it in the light long enough. Let's see, because I just unboxed everything. I don't know if I can make it dark enough where you can tell. Well, no, I haven't had it exposed to the light long enough. It actually glows in the dark. How cool is that? It kind of has a little bit of a glow right here. Let me turn that light back on. I don't know how clear things are because I'm not, my streaming has stalled on me. So the glow in the dark, perfect for Halloween, but I'm thinking there are some things that this would be really ideal with, maybe the stars, etc. for Christmas. I think that's just absolutely beautiful. And this is our orange peel ink. We have not had orange peel ink in the past. We have had it as chalk paste, but now if you want to use it on permanent things like tote bags or t-shirts or whatever, especially for Halloween, we now have the orange peel available in ink. Here's one of our new colors. It's Shimmer Moonlight. It's a shimmery navy or a dark blue. It's actually the color of my first Camaro. Midnight metallic blue. That was a really sharp car. We've got rust, slate rose, and then one of my favorites, shimmer melon. So that's just my quick little unboxing. I wanted to say hi. I'm hoping to do a kit later tonight and say hello. Drop me a line if you have any questions. If you are not new, ooh, wait a second, I have some other things. You know what? I had a couple other things that I forgot to show you. Kind of put all my transfers over here. We now have, or we have had a bit of surfaces that are paper, our chalk suede paper, which is really, really cool. And we've had it in tags. We now are offering it as a notebook and also as the actual cards that you could use for greeting cards, regular A4 size cards. And you know what? I don't have them out. This is the notebook. Let me give you a size on the notebook. It's 8 by 5. And basically it has the chalk suede cover, so you could personalize this as a gift for someone. And then we have tags. We have canvas tags that you could ink on and then add them to a blanket, whatever you want or whatever you're thinking. But actually these tags are already hemmed. Let's see if you can see it on the larger one. We have them in 2 different sizes. They're 3-pack. What a way to add a little personalized chalk or ink to something that you've created. Anyway, I will let you go. I'm hoping to see you later. Thanks for stopping by. I surely do appreciate it. If you are new to chalk, drop me a line and I'll shoot you some information about our samples. See you soon.